Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to be doing this eye look that I have on right now. It is really pretty and it is like one of my favorite looks to do because it's like very dramatic when you want like a pop of color and you just want to look cute and everything like that. You could add a wing, but I feel like it's already so dramatic without it, so I do like it better like this. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I'm going to get this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I already have my base makeup done, so I'm only going to be doing the eyes in this video just because I really want to focus on this eye look. And the first palette I'm going to be taking is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. So the first color I'm going to be taking is this one right here, and I'm just placing it in the crease. So this color it's a very light blue, but I just go in with it first just to be the transition shade for the darker blues. I do build it up a little bit, but not fully, just because, like I said, it is the transition shade. I feel like I haven't sat down and done a makeup video in so long. So once I have just a base of color down, just like that, so the second color I'm going to be taking is this one here from the BH palette, and I'm going to be placing that in my crease as well. Just a little bit lower than the first blue, but not like too much lower. If I'm looking down like this, it's because I'm holding the mirror. If I look like uncomfortable in this video, it's because we had a really nice day yesterday. So I got so sunburned. It's crazy. It's like so bad. So like any clothes touching it really hurts. So yeah, so this is really uncomfortable right now, but I'm just trying to film. I got so sunburned because I sat outside for 4 hours straight, just like hanging out in the backyard with my dog because the weather's not been so nice. So it was the first day we've had nice weather in a while, so I did take advantage of it by sitting outside. But like when you're sitting out there, like you don't realize how strong the sun is, and I didn't realize for the whole 4 hours. And then after, like when I looked in the mirror, like I really saw it and I felt it, and it was like just awful. Like I can't, it's so hard to even sleep because I can't bend my arms. Like it's just so bad. I've never been sunburned before, like at all. So once you have just those two blues in, I'm gonna be going in now with this ColourPop Mar palette. It just comes from the Soul and Mar set, and it just looks like this. And I'm gonna be taking that dark blue right there. I did in one of the videos, remember? And now for this shade here, it is the darkest one, so I'm not taking it all the way. I'm taking it maybe like 3/4, like just like a fingertip away from the, like not in the corner there. And I'm not placing it all the way up. I'm placing it a little, like the lowest in the crease. Like just like this, if you couldn't see. and I'm focusing it on the outer corner. And let me tell you, I know this looks like freaking hella crazy, I know. But I promise, like, once you put the gold, because I'm going to do a gold here, and like you've got your lashes on, it looks so pretty. It just, you got to go through this crazy phase to get to the pretty phase. This is honestly one of my favorite looks to do because it really is really gorgeous. That's pretty much it for this eye, and now I'm just going to work on the other one. So I already finished up all the blues on the top of my eyes, and I just went in with a little bit of pressed powder, and I went along the edges on each side and a little bit above there just to clean up any blue that I didn't want. So yeah, I just did that. But now going back in with the Mar palette, I'm gonna take this coppery golden shade here. That's just the best way I would describe it, is copper. Like if you've ever seen a penny, that's literally how I would describe it. So I'm just gonna wet my brush. Okay, and I'm gonna go in right now. So there is fallout, but I did pack so much powder under my eyes, so to wipe it away. But you guys can do your eyes before you do your face. I just personally like to do my face and then my eyes. The only time I will do my eyes first is if I'm using glitter. Just like that. And then I'm going back in with the brush that I used the darkest color on, and I'm taking it right on the edge and just blending that together. And for this, I'm going so lightly because I really don't want to mess anything up. And I'm just going to take this little shade, this little brush here, and go in with that dark shade that I used. Gonna be adding some highlighter to the face and to the inner corner, and I'm taking the highlighter in the shade French Vanilla. And guys, trust me, I know I look hella like ugly, but I promise I'm gonna look good. Just let me put eyelashes on, okay? So now that basically all the eyes are done, all I'm gonna do is just my eyelashes. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara off camera, and I'm just going to be using the Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced Cosmetics. So I applied one fake lash, and these are just the Kiss 01s, I believe. Maybe the Kiss 11s? No, they're the Kiss 01. You know what? I'm gonna check. Yeah, they're the Kiss 01s. So those are just the ones that I'm using, and this one's just the glue is drying. So I'm just gonna pop it on off camera and then I'll be back. And I just did my lipstick, and I just used the Kylie in the shade Commando. And I applied a gloss from Forever 21. But yeah, this is the finished look, and I absolutely love it. Like, I just feel like the eyes look so good. I will insert pictures up of me actually wearing this look because I did apply it, like do it before. And I loved it. I thought it was super pretty. It photographs really well. And yeah, I have such dark circles right now. But whatever. But anyways, I really hope you guys like this video. And as always, I hope everyone is staying safe during this whole crazy thing right now that's going on in the world. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video.